Hey everyone, today I'm going to be reviewing Sunlu's PLA Plus filament. So I got this roll of PLA Plus off of Amazon for £15 delivered, obviously from Sunlu. They are actually at the moment offering a refund if you offer a review on Amazon, so I'll leave a link down below. You basically just have to drop a message to their Facebook page and they'll give you two options. You can either purchase it, review it, and then they'll refund you, or you can review 3 of their products and they'll send you it for free. Personally, I didn't really agree with the second option because it's reviewing products that I haven't actually tested. So I went ahead and purchased it and they sent me my money back, but pretty much after I left the review. So as I do with all my filaments, I print out a temperature tower. This one kind of failed at around 175, it would not print any higher than that. However, at 205 degrees it printed really well. Now it does state on the box of the PLA Plus that it needs to print at 205 degrees, which is typically higher than standard PLA. So I'm not too concerned about the lack of completion of the temperature tower towards the lower end of the temperatures. As for how it looks really nice. It's got a really nice ivory sort of finish to it, and yeah, it just looks really nice. The colour is great. Now I also printed out a couple of these things. Now these are inserts for the Sega Dreamcast. I believe it's for some expansion board you can purchase that basically replaces the CD drive and makes it an SD card reader, so you can play your games from that. Now, I printed a couple of these off because they were requested for me by some people on Facebook, so I did that. I'll leave a link in the description to the file on Thingiverse. But yeah, again, the Sunlu PLA Plus performed really well. It's got a really nice ivory finish to it, and overall I'm actually really pleased with this filament. I wasn't expecting much, you know. If a company's offering their filament, a whole kilo of their filament for free, I'm always going to be sceptical. But in all honesty, it actually performs really well, so I definitely recommend, you know, just giving it a go. As I say, at the moment they're refunding all of their purchases on, I think it's wood, PLA, TPU, and ABS filaments. So just drop them a message on Facebook and see what they offer you. Now, one thing that I kind of really dislike about this spool is that there's only one tie-off point. So no matter where your filament ends after your print, you can only tie it off in that one place, and for me I find that's just a real hassle, because you always get this big long strand of filament that just, you know, it's just hanging about, and it'd be much better if there was a tie-off point at the bottom here where I could just slide that in and then there'd be literally, you know, 6mm of filament hanging off, so it would be nothing. But other than that, it's you know, it's a decent spool. It's very well wound. There's no issues with any tangles or anything like that. So the filament's actually PLA Plus, so that means that it's supposed to be stronger than your standard PLA. This isn't actually something that I've tested with this roll. Everything I've printed doesn't really need to be put under any strength tests, so I can't really comment on that aspect of it, but for like PLA and white parts, it's got really nice colour, it prints really easily, and I definitely say give it a go, because at the moment you can get it for free if you leave a review. So that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this content. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Leave any comments you have down below. Subscribe to the channel, and I will hopefully see you in the next video. Cheers.